Dear marketers, are you struggling to find quality royalty-free marketing assets that you can freely use in your projects? Undeniably, visuals are the best tool to reach for world's attention. Not only increase call to action, but also boost conversion rate on sales page. Top marketers know the incredible power of awesome, well-made visuals, including videos and graphics. It's been proven time and time again. Think about it. People remember 10% of what they hear, 20% of what they read, and an amazing 80% of what they see. Visuals can explain your message or product in a short amount of time and have them positioning you as the expert in no time. It's vital you have a visual. Your products and services have a visual too. But the problem is, number one, visual designers are expensive. Hiring professional designers to design visuals for your marketing endeavors is a great idea, but at the same time, very expensive. Take a look. Number two, creating visuals yourself is tiresome and frustrating. You can try and build captivating visuals for your marketing projects, but it requires skill, a lot of dedication, expensive software, and worst of all, just takes up too much of your time. Number three, buying ready-made templates cost a fortune. Of course, you can buy ready-made marketing templates, but do you know how much they cost? See yourself. Well, that makes them out of the league, especially if you're working on a tight budget. Another problem here is licensing restrictions. Even after paying that much, you cannot just use these visuals any way you like. Doing this will sabotage not just your marketing efforts, but even your whole internet marketing business. So if you're seriously looking for fresh, new, and totally original professional quality marketing videos and graphics that you can use without worrying about all those frustrating copyright restrictions and without breaking the bank, then we've got good news for you. Proudly presenting Visual Marketing Mate, the ultimate marketing visuals toolkit with over 130 done-for-you marketing graphics and video elements with all the required editable files to use for product promotion, e-commerce, ads, and any other visual marketing need. Inside, you'll get Module number 1, 20 intro and outro video templates. Module number 2, 6 marketing cinemagraphs. Module number 3, 4 promo ad templates. Module number 4, 5 social media ad templates. Module number 5, 16 new animated characters. Module number 6, 20 animated business icons. Module number 7, 4 business presentation videos. Module number 8, 16 sales tags. Module number 9, 10 social media ad templates, static. Module number 10, 10 testimonials templates. Module number 11, 20 hanging templates, all with the required editing files and step-by-step editing tutorial videos that will help you get going in no time. Get ready to mesmerize, delight, and win customers with ravishing videos and graphics that get them to stop, click, and buy your products immediately without clicking away or getting distracted by your competition. You can spend 10,000 hours learning complicated software, or you can get visual marketing made right now and do it in minutes. It takes seconds to buy this product, and you can get the attention you deserve to more profits. So hurry up before the price gets double or more than what it is right now. Click on the buy button below.